Hello everyone, my name is Yan Wang. I'm from the University of Aizu. I want to make speech in English. My report title is A Server or Interactive Evolutionary Computation in Human Sense. The first part is research background. Interactive evolutionary computation has been developed as a technology in which human subjective evaluation and evaluation computation optimize the target system in various fields. The main difference or the main difference between the EC and IEC is the weight of computing the fitness of the candidate that the fitness function or EC was replaced by the human subjective evaluation in the IEC mechanism. Figure 1 shows the optimization framework of IEC. This framework consists of target system, IEC algorithm, and IEC interface. The IEC extends the scope of the EC application and solves many problems. EC cannot be solved this problem. Figure 2 shows the number of papers published on IEC in each year since 2000 using Scopus database. We can find that IEC has drawn great attention in research. The human have 5 perceptions, including sight, smell, hearing, taste, and touch. And the research on IEC based on human perception is an important rate. The philosophy on this direction lies in the subjective evaluation of IEC according to the advantage of 5 human perception. Perception is the pathway for humans to acquire knowledge and explore the world. For this view, this paper aims to research the status of the 5 human senses in IEC. Next, I will introduce the related work. The most influential work in this direction is Takagi in 2001. He proposed a comprehensive review of IEC has been made a concept, mechanism, and related application. Recently, in 2018, Pei report the partial related process of IEC, including IEC user modeling, acceleration of IEC research, and the IEC framework. However, most of the existing servers do not deliver the advantage of the 5 things in IEC. Due to the rapid development of IEC and artificial intelligence over the past 20 years, it was necessary for the delicate servers about this declaration. And our work is to propose a comprehensive and crucial server aimed to propose useful advice and reference in IEC for through activity works in this field. Toward this goal, the server is consisting to 5 aspects based on human sense. IEC inversion, audiology, artifaction, gradation, and haptic study. There are some studies that the human brain process image 16,000 times faster than the test, and netting personal information transmitted to the brain is visual. The research in this chapter relies primarily on sight sound. The object or user needs the evaluation price is image. Image processing, image retrieval, and image generation are the most important application rate of IEC version. For image processing, IEC was used for building the face by removing undesirable skinny component. A combination of learner filter is one of the powerful methods used for image denoising. IEC is a good choice for filter parameter optimization. In image retrieval, IEC is help user to select an image that meets their preference. For image generation, filters are also used for image automated generation. However, it not only fails to meet the user or real-time needs, since there are no interaction mechanism, but also the whole process consumes a great deal of time. AEC in image generation, it can help user to optimize the process or generating image, which has minimized the user fatigue. Sound is a media type that it converts human sound preference clearer and faster than image. The principle of AEC in audiology is divided into two steps. First, notes can be produced through a series controller, such as MIDI. Secondly, the chapter of the note can be controlled by various synthesizer algorithms themselves. However, this way needs to the user to control different parameter. Not only does they increase the user fatigue, but these parameters are often continuously and cannot be searched thoroughly. At this point, IEC is an available choice. Uh, IEC has been applied to the generated many aspects of sound, such as medley, temp, drum, and set sound. IEC can help user choose the better sounds. Compare sound creation, sound composition is not divided as far as sound composition. This view synthesize several sound elements to prefer the sound through filter. They require the design across a method to synthesize many elements, and IJA is a good choice through precipitating genes with high fitness value. The research on artifaction, mainly on the frequent composition and optimization, the IJA and IDE are very suited for frequent composition, IDE and ITS for frequent optimization. Test is the filling of the target produced when food in the mouth reacts chemically in the oral cavity, which directly determines the body preference. Research or test has important application in food processing. The related research including barrier creation, barrier and optimization, and healthy system. Haptic is an important aspect of behavior. It can also one of the way we can study the impression or emotion. AEC can be also designed a vibration model, a vibration mode, or modify device in addition to music and image. This table summarizes the progress on AEC according to the human sense. Compare other aspects, we can find the technology or version and the audiology has become perfected, and IGA is more widely used than other algorithms. Finally, let me discuss the future work, building related acts and exploring human authority preference in version and audiology are worth direction for future development. I saw some interesting topic. For example, exploring human authority preference in sound creation or image generation. For gradation, it has been a complex array between chemical and biology. The test of food is not only related to the raw material himself, raw material himself, but also linked to external factors such as the food processing time, region, timing, temperature, and so on. How these factors are defined by data structure is an important point we need to consider. Also, the development of basically device for smell and touch will help accelerate the overall progress of this research. I hope that conducting AEC-related research will bring more value and benefit to human social. That's all I want to share with you. Thanks for your listening.